Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the chat history visible for new members in Telegram group chat. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, open your Telegram application. And after you have your Telegram application opened, you can open your group chat in Telegram. Then this is my group chat, so I'm going to open it. Okay, and we can click on the group chat's name. Then click on this pencil icon. And then here, if you want to make the chat history visible for new members, you can click on the chat history. Then here we have two options and you have to select visible. So new members will see messages that were sent before they joined. Okay. Then you just need to click on this check mark to save this group chat setting. Alright guys, and that's how we can make a chat history visible for new members in Telegram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.